Alrighty, my name is Caden Gray, and this is my virtual reality explanation of what it is and how it works for my Tech 1010 class. But basically, virtual reality is like stepping into a whole new world where your body stays in one place, but your eyes and your mind even go to a completely new place. Using high-tech sensors, the computer understands where you move your head and displays this information to the screen accordingly. This can effectively trick your brain. Even though your body is not moving, your mind believes that you actually are. If you add 3D audio to that scenario, it really helps your brain to believe that you are somewhere else. Now, the definition of virtual reality is the computer-generated simulation of a three-dimensional image or environment that can be interacted with in a seemingly real or physical way by a person using special electronic equipment, such as a helmet with a screen inside or gloves fitted with sensors. Now, according to Frederick Brooks, there are 4 technologies that are really crucial for virtual reality. There's 1, the visual displacers that immerse the user in the virtual world and that block out any of the other sensory impressions from the real world. There's 2, the graphics rendering system that generates at 20 to 30 frames per second for the images that are ever changing constantly. There's 3, the tracking system that continually reports the position and orientation of the user's head and limbs so the images that the user is seeing stays accurate. And 4, the database that does the construction and maintenance for the system that does the building and maintaining details and a realistic model of the virtual world. Some other technologies that can be important are synthesized sound, which are displayed to the ears in correlation with the visuals that you are seeing, and 2 other technologies that could include devices like gloves that can be used to help with interactions with different virtual objects. Now, all of these combined are able to help stimulate our senses together to basically mimic reality. Now, that's my explanation of what virtual reality is and how it works. Some of the sources that I was able to use are Google for the definition, Understanding Technology textbook from basically chapter 6, from pages 142 to 146, and then a website which is www.marxentlabs.com. What is virtual reality?